Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made Achi soup. Achi soup is made with an ingredient called Achi. Achi is a very effective thickener used in making various kinds of soup ranging from oha soup, bitter leaf soup, ofo and lots of yummy, delicious Nigerian soup. If it's your first time of stopping by, I want to thank you and also remind you to subscribe, like, share, leave the comment in the comment section to tell us what you think about this soup. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my community and do well to stay to the end as we cook this together. So for my ingredients, I'm going to be needing beef, sliced and washed, beef tripes, pomo, fish, smoked fish, stockfish, cooked beef feet, crayfish, cayenne pepper powder, seasoning powder, iru, also known as locust beans, habanero pepper, diced onions, shrimps, achi, uzuza leaves, palm oil. Now to begin, my pot on the stove, I put in my washed cut beef, and what I'm going to be doing now is just seasoning my beef to get ready. That's my cayenne pepper powder, and put in some onion, and add in some seasoning powder, and then I'll mix it and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Cover and allow to steam for 5 minutes. 5 minutes after, I'll come in and put my water from the side. If you want to know why I added my water from the side, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll tell you. And I'll cover and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Now our meat is ready. I'll be adding my beef tripe. Now I already pre-cooked this beef tripe, so it's halfway soft. I'll be adding my cow feet that is also cooked, which is also soft, and then my stockfish that is also soft. I cooked that for some minutes and it's soft, and my pomo that is also cooked soft, and my smoked fish. If you want to see how I prepare all this, leave in the comment section and I'll let you know. Yeah, I'm adding in my shrimps, washed and prepared. Add in some onion, my habanero diced pepper, add in more cayenne pepper. It's optional. If you don't really like much pepper, the first one you use for seasoning the beef is okay. Add in some of the iru and the seasoning powder, and then bring it to a mix and allow it to cook. Now our meat is semi done, half done. We will be cooking all of this together so the seasoning can go into all of the meat and everything, so it's well cooked and ready for the soup. So I'll just bring everything to a mix and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes after, I'll come back to check to see that my meat and everything is soft. So how you know is you see the pomo has shrunk a little, and you can take one of the beef to check if it's soft, because the cow leg has been cooked before now, so that one will be really soft. And right now I'm adding my crayfish, and then I'll bring it to a mix. Now I need to add in more water because I'm about to prepare the soup. The meat is soft, the pomo and everything here is soft. I'm getting ready now to prepare the soup. If you notice that your liquid is not enough, all you need to do is just add in some more water, not too much. Don't put in water to cover the meat, no. Now my shrimp looks good, which means my shrimp is soft. It doesn't look fresh, it's well cooked. I'll just allow it to boil for 3 minutes, and then I'll come back. So 3 minutes later, I'm here to check to see that everything is well seasoned and well cooked. Now I'm adding my fillet fish. Now you can choose to use any fish of your choice. So right now I'll just cover and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I'll come and take out the fish. Now our fish is a little bit soft, yeah, and I'll just take it out now and bring it in later. So I'm taking it out now so it doesn't break now, even though it's gonna still break later, you know. But for now, just put it aside. Mix the soup and then add in our palm oil. Now after adding my palm oil, I'm just gonna stir it and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes so our oil can simmer well into the meat. And now 3 minutes later, the oil looks good. You know by so when the oil does not float, yeah, it looks good. Now I'm going to be adding my achi, and now we are cooking the soup proper. The meat is ready, everything looks good, it's soft, the taste is awesome, balanced. And then I just added my achi to thicken it. After stirring, I'll just cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes after, we just finished checking for taste. Yeah, I'll just give it another stir, and this looks too good. Wow, I can't wait to have this. And as you can see, if it's too thick, do well to add some water, but don't put too much water. That will make sure your water does not cover the whole pot. No, you want to put in water just a little to give it a nice consistency. I just added my fish, and now it's time to stir because I can gracefully stir, and I don't care if the fish breaks now, you know, because the fish will give it that nice taste also. And I just checked for taste, and now I'll be adding in my uzuza. Now this uzuza was preserved, that's why it looks like this, but it still tastes awesome. I just added it, and then I'll just give it a stir. This uziza is so nice. The taste, the aroma, I mean, it just gave it a nice combination to this soup. So I'll give it a good stir and allow it to simmer for just 2 minutes. At this point, like I said, if you need to check for taste and adjust, go ahead. But for me, my soup tastes real good and it's balanced. So yeah, 2 minutes later, this is my soup. It came out so nice, yummy, and everything is just balanced. So at this point, my soup is ready. I'm just going to serve it in a plate. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, this is nice. So I'm going to be having it with swallow. You can also take it like that if you're not a swallow person. It really tastes good. Look at that. If this is your first time of stopping by, do well to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment section. Give this a try if you want to, and let us know how yours turned out, and let's know what you think about this soup. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say again, thank you for staying to the end. Please leave a comment and tell us what you think about this soup. It's really yummy. Okay guys, I have to go now and have some. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.